Miss Mandaue 2024!
Hi guys! A day in my life as a part-time content creator na wala pang sahod at hindi naman sikat sa social media. At alam nyo ba, last night was super a blast experience kasi nag-attend lang naman kami ng isa sa pinakaglamorosang event dito sa Mandaue, ang Miss Mandaue 2024. Ang mananalo dito ay siya ang magre-represent ng Mandaue sa national stage ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Pagdating namin sa venue, aba super kinabog yung production, halatang hindi tinipid yung budget for today. Kudos pala sa organizer ng event. Nakakamangha talaga yung mga pasabog at performance nila. Alam nyo ba na ganitong setup usually on a national stage ko lang nakikita, pero masyado namang ginalingan ng Mandaue City. Sa mga oras na ito pala yung production number ng mga kandidata. Dito natin makikita kung sino talaga yung karapat-dapat na magsuot ng napakagandang korona ng Miss Mandaue 2024. Yung reigning queen pala nila ay si Miss Victoria Leslie Ingram, at siya naman yung kumakatawan sa Miss Universe Philippines Mandaue 2024 na gaganapin sa MOA Arena this coming May 22, 2024. Please support natin siya guys. Isang kaalaman lang, yung reigning queen nila dito, hindi lang siya beauty queen, magaling din siya sa kantahan. Panoorin natin ang kanyang performance. I told you, maganda talaga yung boses niya. Kung hindi naman siya pala rin sa Miss Universe 2024, may option naman siya na maging singer. Kudos sa iyo, Miss Victoria. Fast forward tayo, yung favorite part ko talaga ng competition na ito ay yung evening gown at kudaan ng mga kandidata. Dito kasi natin masusukat kung ganda lang talaga yung mayroon yung isang kandidata. Dapat kasi full package, maganda na at matalino pa. Pero hindi ko naman ini-invalidate yung ibang kandidata, sadyang may mas karapat dapat lang talagang manalo sa gabing ito. Kudos pala sa mga local designer ng mga evening gown na ito.
You were a symbolic seed in the heart of Mandaue, waiting to bloom into a radiant flower. In your role as Miss Mandaue 2024, embodying the mantra, I am Mandaue, we are Mandaue, move Mandaue. How would you cultivate a garden of unity, progress, and inclusivity in Mandaue City? You have 45 seconds.
Mandaue is a perfect trifecta of centricity, ecotourism, and industrialization. And I think with that three, it has already been perfect, and Mandaue City has already been a progressing city. For me, using social media as a tool to share awareness, to let people know that when we are together, there's a symbol of oneness, and we can move Mandaue to greater heights. So, for me, that will be my answer. Thank you so much.
I am glad to see that Mandaue is a city that is a gateway of inclusivity and that promotes unity among its people. I know Mandaue is diverse. We have so much people and we are very welcoming of people from different areas. And a way that I can cultivate unity in this city is that I want to teach people to listen to one another and not just listen to give a response, but listen for comprehension. I know that we believe that communication is key, but communication without comprehension would lead us nowhere. In a city that's so diverse, we know that we have so much differences, but if we could connect and come together, then I know Mandaue will be a city that is limitless, will have possibilities that are endless.
Thank you for your question. As a master's graduate of epidemiology, it is crucial for me to raise awareness about public health issues, especially in our beloved city, Mandaue. As your Miss Mandawi, I want to ensure that every barangay has the facilities and the resources to ensure that every Mandawi Hanon is included and has equal healthcare. I want to make sure that our city continues to be the living testament to a city that rises, rebuilds, and thrives against any type of challenge. Thank you.
So ayun na nga, kayo na lang ang maghusga kung sino sa tatlong iyon yung maganda yung sagot during that time. I would like pala to congratulate especially yung mga non-winners that night. Try lang kayo ng try. Baka next time, I know may kanya-kanya tayong time for this competition. Always remember yung mga hirap at pagod niyo to make this competition possible. For me, all of you are so amazing at mga kakaibang performance yung binigay ninyo. Pero isa lang talaga yung mananalo sa mga ganitong patimpala. At sa huli, yung tinanghal na Miss Mandawi 2024 ay si Stephanie Fushavadic, yung candidate number 5. Super deserving naman talaga, no doubt. At ang kanyang first runner-up na si Angela Amonier, yung candidate number 9. Alam ko yung feeling kapag first runner-up, yung feeling mo na nandun ka na pero hindi pa pala sapat maging winner. Pero sige lang, hindi lang talaga nag-align yung universe para sa'yo sa gabing iyon. At yung second runner-up na si Kyla May de la Peña at siya rin yung nanalo ng Best in Long Gown and Best in Long Gown Designer. I am rooting pa naman na manalo itong candidate number 12 kasi ma-aura siya at yung kanyang aura is pang Miss Universe Philippines na talaga pero hindi talaga binigay ng tadhana para sa kanya.
Our new Miss Mandawi 2024 is number 5.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Miss Universe Philippines Mandawi.
Hello everyone, I'm Victoria Lasky, making the Miss Universe Philippines Mandawi City.
And now we will be asking 3 questions for Miss Victoria. And Miss Victoria, how was your experience so far in Miss Universe Philippines 2024?
You know what? My experience in Miss Universe Philippines is a glimpse of celebrity life. You know, it can be quite stressful, but I assure you, it's still quite manageable.
What lesson you can share to the newly crowned Miss Mandawi 2024?
It's very timely because when she was crowned, I told her, lose your cool, lose yourself, and that authenticity shine out of her career.
Anything you want to share to all Mandawi people?
Well, I would like to share that, I'm representing every Mandawi Hanon at the Miss Universe Philippines. So I hope you support me all throughout my journey as I aim to be the next Miss Universe Philippines. Daghang salamat kaninyo tanan.
You were Miss Universe Philippines Mandawi. Good luck to your next journey!
Thank you so much.